Yo, I'm Bob. Totally blind since birth into Power Rangers. Gonna be unboxing an action figure from the Lightning Collection. It's either gonna be Dino Thunder Blue, Yellow, or Red. I had them stacked up from blue to yellow to red. They all fell over. So I guess this is going to be a guessing game. I should be able to tell the difference by their weapons. If it's blue, he's gonna have the shield. If it is yellow, she's going to have the Terra Grips. And if it's Connor, he is going to have the Tyranno Staff. Open! Alright. Come on. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna... There we go. Excellent, excellent. Okay. Well. Yeah. I'm gonna have to unbox this and see who it is really quickly here. You know what I could do? I could just take a couple things out of the packaging here. There's one of the weapons. Yeah, this is actually one in which I am not quite sure who this is, actually. So yeah, this is a bit of a new one for me here. Lots of weapons here. I think it's Kira, but I'm not sure. I think it's Kira, but I am not sure. So I'm gonna pause this and see what's what here. All right. This is Kira. Freaking out a little bit at first because I thought she was supposed to come with her Thundermax saber, but no saber. And that's cool. But yeah, she's got her Terra Grips here. I'm not sure if I have her holding them properly. Never had her back in the day. I did watch the show, but I never had these... the Dino Thunder action figures from Bandai, I should say. So yeah, she's got those. Turning her around all the way to the back. And of course, Kira is portrayed by Emma Lahana. That is my cat in the background. He thinks he knows everything about Dino Thunder. Probably knows more than I do. You can have her holding her Terra Grips like this. I don't know about that way, though. Like I said, the weapons are new to me. They look really cool, though. And here we have Kira's Thundermax Blaster with handy-dandy blast effect piece. I like that blast effect piece. And here she is with her civilian head. She's got a karate chop in hand and a splayed fingered hand. Thinking of Emma Lahana, I really need to watch Marvel's Cloak and Dagger, because I do believe she is in that. I've been meaning to catch that. I've got Hulu along with Disney Plus, so really need to see what her character's about in Cloak and Dagger. Here she is from the back. Like the figure, I only wish we could have gotten a Thundermax saber to go along with her blaster mode, but other than that, a 9.5 out of 10. Really interesting addition to my Ranger collection. As for who we're looking at next time, well, your guess is as good as mine. Maybe Connor, maybe Ethan. Till then, may the power protect you.